So in this video, we're going to create our first email marketing campaign. Email marketing is a fantastic tool. It's been proven to have one of the highest returns on investment of all marketing forms. And the great part about it is it's free. All you have to do is design the email. The only thing it costs is your time and your energy, but it's not going to cost you any money. So if it doesn't work, no big deal. And if it does work, you might get a fantastic ROI on what really only takes you 10 or 20 minutes. So let's put together our first email campaign. So in the Wix dashboard, from the main menu, we can go to Marketing and SEO, and then Email Marketing, which brings us here. And so it says, drive traffic to your site with email campaigns. It's got this information. So we want to click the blue button, Create Your First Email. It's going to take us straight into the Wix Email Designer. And it's going to give us some little helpful tips, start designing your campaign. We're just going to skip all of this stuff because I'm going to explain it all to you. So it's super easy to create your email newsletter. All you have to do is drag these elements in. So maybe we want 2 columns right below this big picture. And then we have some options. We could do a picture and text, 2 pictures with text and a button, just 2 pictures. Let's leave it like that for now. So that's how we could drag in an element. Also on the left-hand side, we have themes, which are just quick designs for your email newsletter. So like if we click on this, see it changed the font, it changed the background. Click on this one. We can customize all this stuff ourselves, but just maybe to make it a little faster, we'll start with Onyx. Okay, so our background is this, and so we can choose a color or a pattern or an image. So let's upload our own image by clicking this plus. Let's try this travel pattern that we use in some of our elements in the front end. Cool, that looks better. And so let's just customize this and say something like, announcing our new Thailand travel guide. So we can just switch out the text, switch out this image for somebody in Thailand. No, maybe that's Thailand. And switch this one out as well for a picture of the travel guide. And then say, and then we can switch up the button to be buy now. For the URL, we would have a unique URL to sell our product. Maybe it's Thailand travel. So we can apply that, get rid of these extra things. We're going to remove these elements that we're not using. We can customize this information at the bottom. So our contact information, links to share on social media, and a link to our site. So by default, the site link will be created automatically. The other stuff you need to fill out yourself, so the address and the phone number. Once you have your email looking the way you want, you can click preview and test to see what it's going to look like. Okay, so this is what people are going to see in their email inbox. You think that looks good enough? Let's go back to editing, and we can add the recipients, the people we actually want to send. As your site grows, you'll have more labels and more audiences you could send to. So for example, eventually you could have groups for people who subscribe to the forum, people who've subscribed to different email newsletter, sign-up forms, people who have purchased a product from you. Obviously, this is a fake site, so we don't have a ton. So let's just send it to myself. Okay, so now only one person is getting this email newsletter. Hopefully, when you're sending your newsletters, you're sending it out to hundreds and thousands of people. Okay, so then the next step, we click the blue next button, and we can create a subject line. I actually think announcing our new Thailand travel guide is just fine as the subject line. And let's add a dynamic value. Dynamic value is a value that's going to change based on who you're sending it to. So you can click add a dynamic value and add somebody's first name, for example. So now we could say, hey, Caleb, we're announcing our new Thailand travel guide. And the idea is that more personalized, custom subject lines like this are more likely to catch people's attention and get them to open an email. In my experience, often it does work. Not everybody loves it though, but it does get people to open your email. So we'll change the name to from Nomadic Caleb. Our reply to email is Caleb Paradiem. And then we could send a test email, schedule the post. We could send a test email, schedule the email, or send it now. So let's send a test email to ourselves, to myself, so we can check that out. All right, here we are in my email inbox. And please ignore how many unread emails I have. I don't even know what those 895 are. It's fine. So this is what our newsletter looks like in somebody's actual inbox. Announcing our new Thailand travel guide. Here's our picture, our travel guide, our text, our link to buy now. So it's great. That's going to work. So it's just that easy to put together an email newsletter or any kind of email blast to send out to your growing audience for your website. So back in the Wix dashboard, we can actually schedule these. So what I like to do in my own business is put together multiple email newsletters all at one time, following the idea of batching, which is to do similar work all at the same time to save time. So I like to put together 3 or 4 newsletters at one time and then schedule them out over the next couple weeks or months. I think that's just the easiest way to do it. You get into kind of a flow, you're pumping out email newsletters, and then you're done for the next month. I like to do that with blog posts too, by the way. So we could schedule this out. Maybe we want to send it out next Tuesday at 12:38 p.m. while people are all on their lunch break. Apparently, people are more likely to open promotional emails over lunch. So Tuesday at 12:38 p.m. I think is a great time to send out our newsletter. Okay, so we could actually schedule our campaign now, but just be aware that if you do schedule your campaign, you'll need a upgraded Wix send marketing plan. It's up to you whether you want to get that. I think it's helpful because there are a lot of great features in Wix's send marketing plan. If you don't get it, no big deal. You can just send them at the time that you're ready to send them. So you just get into Wix on the email marketing platform at 12:38 when you want to send it and send it like that. You can still create these as drafts. Okay, it's still saved. So if we go back to email marketing, we'll see this right here. Our email campaign is in draft, ready for us to send when we are ready to go. By the way, on the free plan, you are limited to 3 campaigns a month. Most people don't want to get more than 3 emails a month from you anyway, though. So I really don't think that should be a hindrance to you or be a deciding factor in whether or not you get a Wix send marketing plan. Great, so that's it. That's all it takes to create email blasts and email newsletters in Wix. It's super easy, it's super fast. You should really be able to make these in 5 or 10 minutes, and if you really want to put in some time and make them look incredible, maybe 20 or 30 minutes. But this is a really easy way to get business, to stay in contact with your customers and your clients, and I highly recommend everybody use email marketing as part of their digital marketing strategy. Let me know if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.